Hello everyone, and yes, we are already talking about the beginning of hurricane season as it makes its debut, as right now the first tropical wave of 2022 is active in the northern Atlantic Ocean. The latest update coming at 1 a.m. CVT, or also known as Cape Verde time, May 9th, 2022. Right now the status of the storm is a tropical wave because there is no center of circulation yet. And some of the statistics you might see right now is wind speed at 25 miles an hour, pressure at 1,015 millibars, movement is west at 10 miles an hour, and the severity is 1 out of 10. Because after it moves off the west coast of Africa, it will not affect any land whatsoever in the next 3 days as it moves through the main development region. Here we have some convection imagery and water vapor imagery. You can definitely see some of those cloud tops starting to sink a little bit, but they are going up and rising again earlier or moments before. We can definitely see some of those red spots, which means that this storm is starting to develop a little bit, which is kind of concerning already, because in this part of the world, if you have a tropical wave that is basically south of Cape Verde, it has a very good chance of moving into the Caribbean and getting those very warm ocean waters. And water vapor imagery, you can definitely see some of that dry air or in yellow, but the green is where the storm is. They are timed together, and you can see that the more water vapor there is in the air, that means the more precipitation there is. And as you can see, the cloud tops that are the highest, or the cumulonimbus clouds, have the most water vapor in them, as you can pair up together. Here's what the NHC has to say with this, as they have the tropical weather discussion earlier that they posted. They say that an eastern tropical wave is along 15 degrees west, or longitude, from 2 degrees north to 15 degrees north latitude. It is moving westward at around 10 knots, which is a little bit more than 10 miles an hour. The Hofmoeller diagram satellite imagery sequence for the past 5 days reveals that this wave has a good track history, like I talked about, because storms that form south of Cape Verde normally have a higher chance of becoming more intense systems. And it also says that latest satellite imagery shows an extensive area of numerous moderate to isolated strong convection from 2 degrees north to 10 degrees north latitude, between the coast of Africa and 23 degrees west longitude. Tropical wave guidance has it moving westward over the next 24 to 48 hours, passing well to the south of Cabo Verde Islands. Yes, this is very concerning here, because normally at this time you would see most storms usually forming near the east coast or out to sea, not in the main development region yet. Most of these storms that are coming off the coast of Africa usually occur between July and October. That's where we see a shift happen, where most of the storms are in the Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico after October. So it is very rare to see storms that are all the way in the eastern Atlantic. But anyways, that's what the update is for you guys, and I hope you share this video with others to spread the news that hurricane season is here, and this year it's going to be very, very interesting already, as we have that transition from an El Nino to a La Nina, or it could become a neutral. So I don't know, we will see as the season progresses, but it will definitely be an interesting one to track with you guys. Alright, Time Interpreting Weather out.